Awushaya ngala verse nje, awubashaya ngala verse.
Yabona manje bayacala sebaphika nami, sebafuna i22 yale 35. Sidinini ngifikele na khabontwana yami, bathi akekho uphume nabo Felicious. Awuvala umkhukhu.
For someone who doesn't know your role on Mkuku, tell them, bro, because when I saw your name, I'm like,
okay,
the boy, the cowboy.
So, yeah, I'm the vocalist on MKK.
Okay.
Like K-Met. I'm the only vocalist there.
You lie.
So people like get confused because there are two voices in that song.
Wait.
Yeah.
It's
me. It's me. No, it's me. So I don't know why people are surprised now. It's me.
Wait, man. Pinda mzala masivu kututhini mzala.
Sapta, who's this, man? Yo, hook me up with this dude, man. Yo.